As per the syllabus, technical requirement considerations are high availability, failover design, elasticity of the cloud resources, scalability to meet the growth requirement, and performance and latency, right? So what we understand is we need to increase the speed to data warehouse. So taking the data from those connected devices, connected equipments, I would say, up to the analytics platform so that they can run analysis within a week and not in three or 4 weeks, right? Almost no data loss. That's what we understand. So our solution should be highly available. There are ultimately zero failures. So highly available here context is those connected equipment should be able to connect to the cloud services, and that particular service should be highly available. It should not like fail or have a downtime of 8 hours or 10 hours, right? That will lose the data for that particular period. So you need to make sure that whatever service we choose as a backend, it should be highly available and the failover is designed inside it. Okay, and if at all the resources are required, we should be able to spin up more resources to process the data. So all of that should be considerations that you need to make sure that you are planning for it. Machine learning to predict the faults and efficiency, and this is not clearly written in a requirement as they need machine learning, but you can guess that they want to predict the faults and they want to do the inventory storage upfront without that machine to get fail and then order a part and then wait for that shipment to occur and ultimately fix it. So they want to understand based on some patterns. They want to predict if there are problems which are coming in few days so that they can do inventory upfront. Additional, they are expecting to grow more in agriculture business, and they have not said that they are going to reduce the existing revenue from mining. As they are growing means there are more and more connected devices, and you need to make sure that the system is scalable enough, and that is where it matches the scalability to meet the growth requirements. So the system should be scalable enough to cope up with the growth of those devices, and you should be able to measure the performance and the latency, and this is not impacted. Your solution or the backend services are such that at least they should be able to take the data from those equipments or the devices and store it. That should be scalable enough. And for 1 second of every second they are sending the data, it should not take 2 seconds to commit the changes, and in that case we may lose the data, right? You need to make sure that solution is there and capable enough to handle that particular load. That's in the form of technical requirement. Typically, if at all you want to measure, you will think of SLOs and SLIs, service level objectives and service level indicators, and you can go ahead and measure that, right? So like less than a week turn into analytical reports. You need to make sure that how you measure it, whether it is data coming in, and then there are some reports which say that for that those particular data you are able to generate the report within a week's period. So you need to make sure that you have the calculations matrices to calculate that particular SLOs and SLIs.